In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your GoPro camera to your phone. So it can be often confusing when you're trying to transfer your photos or videos from your GoPro to your phone, and it's annoying. But in this video, I'm going to simplify it. I'm going to show you how to do it the fast way, and I'm going to show you how to do it without losing any quality as well. First things first, we need to download the app on our phone. So whether you're on an Apple device like I am or an Android, you want to go to your App Store or your Google Store, and we are going to download GoPro Quik. I'll put a link in the description to this app so you can get it straight away. Basically, we're going to find it, GoPro Quik, spelled Q-U-I-K. There we go, GoPro Quik video editor. Okay, so we're going to download that. I've already downloaded it, which is why it looks like it's already on my cloud. Give that a second to do its thing and download to your phone. Little tip for you guys, and this is all filmed in real time, a bit of a mistake. Make sure your GoPro actually has some charge before you do this. So I'm just going to plug this into my external battery power pack thing, which is an Anker battery. There's a link in the description of this if you want to check this out. GoPro Quik is now downloaded. Once we have our app, we open our app, okay? We're going to allow access to all photos, accept the Bluetooth, let GoPro Quik find devices in our local network, and then GoPro Quik, on the screen here, it actually says, do you also own a GoPro? Yep, I have a GoPro. And then it's basically just follow the steps on your app to pair the two devices together. So we're going to pair my GoPro, and it'll do its searching thing. So to do this, you need to have your GoPro turned on for obvious reasons. We now need to select what camera we have. So GoPro will give us a big list on our app, and we just need to decide which camera we have. So I have a GoPro Hero 9 Black here, so I'm just going to select that. Then it's going to ask to make sure your camera is turned on. So I'm going to click the blue button, my camera is turned on. And then you need to go over to your camera and follow the on-screen instructions that are displayed on your phone app. Okay, so it says swipe down, then left and tap connections. Okay, so we're going to swipe down the GoPro, we're going to swipe to the left, click connections, then we're going to click connect device, and then we're going to click Quik app. Okay, and then it's going to tell us to go back to our app and click continue. And then it's just told me now it's found the GoPro. We're going to pair the cameras together. You'll hear a little noise from your GoPro to let you know that both devices are synced, and it'll give you the option to change the name of the camera and how it shows up on your app, but I'm just going to keep mine as it is. It's going to connect. Here we go. Camera update available. Skip that for now. If it does ask you to update your camera, it's probably worthwhile doing, just to make sure there's no bugs in your camera and everything is all up to date. Okay, it's ready to go. So once it's all connected and you're in your app, you should be able to view the media that's on your GoPro and decide what you want to drag over, because sometimes you've got a big SD card in here, you don't want to drag everything over because that will just take up a lot of space on your app. So we're just going to look through the footage and select the media we want to transfer over. The bottom of your screen, actually no, in the middle of your screen, you can click View Media. It will load the media. It's going to ask if you want to join the Wi-Fi network, so you need to have your Wi-Fi on your phone turned on. And then we are simply going to select the footage we want to transfer over. So I'm going to highlight it in blue, click Download. It'll calculate how long it's going to take. Depending on how big your file size is, it could take a little bit of time. And then bottom left hand corner of the screen is a down arrow. I'm going to click that, and it will save the media to your app. Okay, awesome, that's done. Download is complete. You then click View Media, top of the page, and again you highlight the videos or the content you want to transfer to your phone, and then we click Export and Save to Photos. And that is how we transfer footage, content, photos or videos from the GoPro to the app and then onto our phone. Give this video a like if it's helped you out, and if you want to up-level your GoPro skills, there is also a link in the description below to my GoPro video course. Go check that out if you want to take your skills to the next level and start capturing even better videos with your GoPro. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.